Welcome to our channel. Bending is a common and essential process in metal fabrication, playing a crucial role in shaping components to meet specific design requirements. Normally, we produce about 800 to 1,000 different OEM parts one year. Today, we want to explore the improvements we've made to this process in our factory over the past year. Previously, we utilized CNC bending machines with capacities of 500, 250, 110, and 63 tons. Over 20 years, we've accumulated a comprehensive range of bending dies. These are various molds we make ourselves to cope with the manufacturing of various precision parts. These machines and dies have served us well over the years, allowing us to produce a wide variety of components. However, many complex parts required extensive manual adjustments and the expertise of our skilled operators to ensure accuracy. Last year, we upgraded our bending process, the TrueBend 1150 bending machine. It revolutionized our bending process. To complement it, we have also prepared a comprehensive set of bending dies. These tools maximize the machine's capabilities, ensuring that we can produce high-precision components efficiently. It enhances our production speed with rapid axis movements and high working speeds, allowing us to complete more bends in less time. The Y-axis can move at a rapid speed of up to 220 mm/second, significantly reducing cycle times. Precision is key in our industry. This trump bending tool features an automatically controlled bending system that ensures perfect angles from the very first part. This means fewer rejects and less material waste, which is crucial for maintaining quality and efficiency. Moreover, with its capability to handle various sheet thicknesses seamlessly, we can adapt quickly to different projects without compromising on quality or speed. Previously, many of our productions depended on the extensive experience of our technicians to ensure precision. Now, with the addition of this bending tool, we can produce high-precision components more efficiently than ever before. We are constantly exploring ways to improve and refine our processes. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our capabilities, please feel free to reach out. Together, let's continue to move forward on this journey of excellence. Thank you for your watching.